Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the Reports module in the attendance software to analyze attendance, leave, overtime, and employee performance through a variety of built-in reports. Let's get started. From the left navigation menu, click Reports. A submenu opens with all available report categories. First, click AI Analysis. This dashboard provides attendance insights using charts, graphs, and summary cards. You can quickly identify attendance trends, absenteeism, and workforce patterns. Use the search and export options whenever needed. Next, click Attendance Calendar. This page displays attendance in a monthly calendar format with color coded statuses such as present, absent, leave, holiday, and weekly off. Use the month navigation, matrix, or card view, filters, and export button to analyze attendance visually. Now click Manual Attendance. Here you can review manually added attendance records. The page displays summary cards, a searchable records table, filters, and an export option for attendance corrections and manual entries. Now expand the daily submenu. Click Present/Absent. This report shows attendance for the selected day, including employee names, attendance status, punch-in and punch-out times. Use filters to select a date and export to download the report. Next, click Latecomers. This report lists employees who arrived late, along with their shift, punch-in time, and total late minutes. Click Overtime. This report displays employees who worked beyond their scheduled shift hours, including total overtime worked. Now open Summary. This report provides a daily overview of attendance, showing present, absent, work hours, productive hours, and attendance status for all employees. Next, click Detailed. This is the most comprehensive attendance report, showing employee details, department, shift, check-in and check-out times, work hours, overtime, attendance status, and other important information. Use the Filters button to narrow results and export to download the report. Now click Weekly. This report summarizes employee attendance for an entire week, including attendance days, working hours, average timings, and weekly compliance. Expand the monthly submenu. Click Summary. This report provides a monthly attendance overview for every employee, including attendance status, late records, overtime, and productive hours. Now click Details Grid. This spreadsheet-style report displays employees in rows and each day of the month in columns with color-coded attendance statuses. Next, click Yearly. This report summarizes annual attendance, including present days, absent days, leave days, holidays, overtime, and employee performance grades. Now open Other Reports. This section contains specialized reports such as all data, department-wise, late arrivals, early departures, late and early, short hours, missing punches, present on holiday, present on weekly off, overtime, monthly performance, and performance reports. Select any report to view detailed information with search, filters, and export options. Next, click Easy Access Reports. This page provides ready-to-use report templates. Simply select a report, choose the required frequency, date range, departments, shifts, or employees, then click Generate Report to instantly open the report. Now expand the Other submenu. Click Device Logs. This report displays raw punch records received directly from biometric devices. Select the device and date range, apply filters, and review punch timestamps and synchronization details. Finally, click Leaves. This report displays all employee leave requests, approvals, pending requests, rejected requests, leave types, durations, and application details. Use filters and export whenever required. Most report pages include a Filters button. Use it to filter reports by date, department, branch, employee, shift, or attendance status. After selecting the required options, click Apply Filters or Generate Report. You'll also find an Export button on most report pages, allowing you to download the current report as an Excel file for sharing or record keeping. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use the Complete Reports module in the attendance software. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We'll see you in the next training video.